is Maida, and today let's talk about one of the most epic and popular hikes of Madeira, Pico Arieiro to Pico Ruivo, as well known as PR1 Trail. So why this place is so special and worth visiting? Pico Arieiro is the third highest peak in Madeira, while Pico Ruivo is the highest peak on the island, offering spectacular views of the surrounding mountains. This trail leads you along narrow pathways, up and down thousands of staircases, and through dark tunnels. It is an adrenaline-filled test of endurance with steep inclines, causing some serious quad and calf burning on the trek. That I promise you. Hike distance is approximately 12 kilometers return, and it should take you more or less 4 to 6 hours. It just depends on your fitness level and how long you spend photographing the scenery or catching a breath after all those steps. Hike is quite technical as well, due to almost 1,000 meters of incline throughout the return trip, with loads of steps, uneven surfaces, dark tunnels, and other factors that make it a little bit tougher. But to be honest, it's relatively safe because of well-maintained track, including the handrails and support. There are a couple of different ways you could start off, and all of them are pretty epic. The first option is to watch the sunrise at Pico Arieiro with the rest of the crowd at the starting point. From the parking lot is just a 2-minute walk to the main sunrise viewpoint. The second play is to start the hike before sunrise. You choose half an hour, 1 hour, maybe even earlier, and catch the sun and colors in the sky while you are on the trail. I must say that the most beautiful colors of the sky and mountains while the sun is not out yet. This is as well a great idea if you want to avoid loads of crowds on the trail going forward. Different story on the way back. Once you reach Pico Ruivo summit, you can enjoy a 360-degree view of the island and take in the fresh mountain air. There is a small restaurant at the summit where you can enjoy a meal or a hot drink while taking in the view. Let's give you some tips. So to avoid crowds and secure a good parking spot, we advise you to arrive at Pico Arieiro early in the morning. If you are driving, there is a paid parking lot at the summit, which can fill up quickly during peak season. If the lot is full, there is a secondary parking area located about 1 kilometer down the mountain. We arrived 6:45 in the morning and it was no space left already. We had to leave our car on the yellow line. Well, many hikers did, and thanks gosh we got no ticket. Remember, keep this hike for a good weather day. The ideal conditions are when low cloud sweeps into the valleys, but most important is to avoid the higher level clouds that engulf the trail, leaving you see very little. The current, you can always check the current weather via webcams. They're pretty good. During the summer months it can get quite hot, so make sure to bring plenty of water and wear sunscreen. Wear layers of clothing. Morning is very chill and it can drop to 0 degrees, and later on, once sun is out, it can get very hot. The trail itself, it's very well marked and easy to follow, but there are some steep sections and uneven terrain and can be challenging. You should be in a good physical condition and wear appropriate hiking shoes with good grip. Head torch or phone light is good enough to pass the tunnels. So to sum up, Pico Arieiro to Pico Ruivo hike is a must-do for anyone visiting Madeira who enjoys hiking. I was swearing a lot because of those steps up and down, but once again, at the end, I just want to complete this hike again. If I'm coming back to Madeira, definitely doing this hike again. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please give us thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, click subscribe, because it's just a great free way you could support our channel. Much appreciated, and wish you to have a wonderful